Nini everyone, Zabora here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm not going to show you the front here because it's got my address plastered all over the place. This I got from my friend Reverend Victoria. You remember that Toothless Strikes Again video I did? And I put a link to Reverend Victoria's channel going, hey, this is my friend, go subscribe to her, but it got kind of misconstrued. Damn Mercury retrograde or whatever. She's the one who sent it to me, and I will leave a link to Reverend Victoria's channel. Again, please guys, go check it out. She is an interfaith minister, which means that she practices a form of Christianity and Comedicism. She really likes Horus and the kind of the similar traits that he seems to share with Jesus and stuff. So, and then there's reasons for that, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this opening right now. I haven't opened it yet. I just kind of tried to remove her address, and I wound up ripping it open. I was like, oh, we better stop right there and get the camera out so we can film this. So, she sent me prayer beads, and they're prayer beads that she made. Oh, there's a note in here. From Victoria, hope you like. So, just go ahead and share that. Now, these are beads that she made herself for me, and I do have some prayer beads with 42 beads on them. My Sekhmet statue here has some of my prayer beads on them. But she sent me some handmade ones, so I'm probably gonna love these just as much. Ooh, comes in a cute little muslin bag. And a Victoria hair. Like, it can't be mine. I haven't shedded on it yet, I swear. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Those are gorgeous. So she's got... she says it's Isis, and I think the original artist who cast the... who had this made... It was supposed to be for Isis, but, I don't know. Kind of looks like my aunt to me. And then the beads are actually like this beautiful, like, almost like a burgundy color. And it feels like ceramic. Not plastic. They're gorgeous. It could be plastic, though. I'm not sure. They're kind of coated. This is beautiful. See if it'll fit around my fat head, shall we? Nope, not quite. Oh, almost. Tuck your nose in, girl. Okay, there we go. Look at that. So now I've got Egyptian-style rosary that I can use and pray on. Now, it's got the 42 beads for the 42 negative confessions, for those of you who don't know. Thank you, Reverend Victoria. They're gorgeous. I might have to add this to, like, my repertoire of shit I wear, along with my crown. I am actually extremely upset because I actually sent Reverend Victoria a bead of St. Christopher that I had found, and I was like, here, you know, you work with these types of energies. And I guess my post office either didn't send it, or they lost it, or someone stole it, which is really stupid because it was a tiny little bead. But I'm never sending anything without a tracking number again. Never. That's fucking ridiculous, that they lost a stupid little bead, you know? I've got people contacting me now. Sorry, I'm looking at my camera. So I actually have a question for you guys. My last video that I did, I did the petition papers on, and language and stuff. Now, do you guys want me to actually demonstrate different types of petition papers? I know I showed a few, but do you guys want me to demonstrate the way that I do them? I kind of feel like the lesson was a little lacking because I didn't show myself doing the examples or different styles of petition papers. So let me know if you guys want a part 2 or if we should just move on. There will be like a miscellaneous type section or a miscellaneous type video that I will eventually do. I'll cover things like personal concerns, specifically like lodestones and pyrite, as they tend to be the most common mineral outside of salt that's used in hoodoo-like workings. So yeah, I could always include it there. Just let me know what you guys think and what you want, okay? That's it for tonight, guys. Senupte. Thank you, Reverend Victoria. Mwah! Gorgeous work.